Hi everyone, how are you all? Today I'm going to make a very cute costume. This is a paper doll costume. So I request all of you to please watch the video completely and share it. Thank you. So let's start making it. This is a paper doll costume. You will need a purple chart paper. It is a hard chart paper, so you don't need any cardboard or anything. You will need this check print paper and white paper, some scissors, some hot glues, and we will draw frog shape with pencil on the chart paper so that you can easily cut it. We will draw some round shape pattern from the bottom side, and later on we will cut this. And there is no special measurement because I'm making for a little girl who is like 4 year old, 4+ year old. And you can also take your frock and measure it, and you will cut down the sleeves. Here is the measurement, and here is the frock measurement. You will cut, and now you will paste the printed paper on the half frock. Draw the shape of the purple chart paper on the printed paper and later on cut it. And you will need a paper glue to paste it on the purple chart paper. Take any paper glue and paste it in the same shape of the purple chart paper. Okay guys, so now I want to design it with some paper frill. So you will just take some 4 centimeter wide paper strip, and you will twist it like this. You will turn it over like this again and again, and it will make a very beautiful frill. So you will need hot glue and you will attach it in the on the neck side. This is the neck side of the frock, and with the help of hot glue you try to decorate it with this frill, paper frill. Take some more strips and make them the same way as I made the frill. So you will make some more design on the front side of the frock. You can make any design you want, and this idea came in my mind that I should apply some frill strips in the front side like this. So try to paste like this with the help of hot glue. Now you will need a white paper or white hard chart paper, and you will take it about 4 centimeter, and you will same way you will twist it, turn over and make a beautiful frill like this. So now I will paste it in the middle of the frock like this. After pasting this strip, I'll also make a flower, so please watch the video complete so you will understand how I made this beautiful paper doll costume. Draw a small flower pattern on the chart paper, purple chart paper, and then you will join it, cut it with the help of hot glue. You will join it with the help of hot glue, and it will make a very beautiful purple flower. And I will paste it in the middle of the frock, and it will decorate this beautiful costume. Okay, so now I will decorate this bottom side and I will make a small strip, small frill the same way as I made other frills. And this is about 2 centimeters wide, and you will cut the paper strip and you will turn it over to make this beautiful frill. And you will decorate this downside of the frock like this. You can take any ribbon, any thread you have for making the hook and for making the child to wear it. This will help your child to wear it. So now I'm drawing a purse shape, and this is a purse shape. This is a bag, handbag shape I'm drawing, and later on I will cut it and decorate it. So keep watching how I'm drawing it. So let's cut it. Let's decorate this beautiful bag, paper bag, with the help of paper glue. You can see I'm trying to paste this purple check printed paper. You will cut it the same size of the bag and you will turn it from the back side. It's very easy, and you will turn it, apply the glue and paste it. Again, I'm making a frill, and you will take about 3 centimeters and you will turn it over to make this beautiful frill, and you will decorate this handbag strip like this. And later on we have to decorate this beautiful bag with a very pretty white bow. So let's make it. You will need 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter from both sides, and turn it over like this, and again turn it, then cut it from the downside like this, and turn the page and cut it from downside like this, and open it and again cut it from the downside. And now you can turn and use paper glue or hot glue. I think hot glue will help. So with the help of hot glue you will fix these strips, join them together, and you can see this is helping, hot glue is helping. So you will attach this and you will cut this extra part from this side, and your bow is ready. Just paste a beautiful dot in the middle to give it a different and unique look, and let's paste it on the bag, and your bag is ready. So now I will make a hairband, and you will cut a bow design shape on the chart paper and you will paste it on the hairband. You will need a black hairband. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.